Hey, what's up guys? James here. So in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the very popular BM-800 condenser microphone. Now, I'm not gonna go in depth in this video. I'm just going to share what you'll get on the box and how you guys can set it up. And lastly, timestamps are going to be available. So if you guys wanna hop around to the parts that you are only interested, feel free to do so. So the unboxing is pretty simple. You'll be greeted with this box, and after you open it, you'll get access to all of the accessories and of course the mic itself. Now the accessories that you'll get are a windscreen, a pop filter, a clamp to hook up the stand on your desk, a shock mount, a cable, a mic arm, and of course the condenser microphone itself. And that is pretty much all in terms of what you get on the box. So to set it up, I recommend to start from the base first and make sure you have enough space for the mic arm to move around. So after you install the clamp on your desk, next step is to insert the arm itself. After that, you can now screw in the shock mount. Next, you can now slide in the condenser microphone. Next step, you can now plug in the cable. And last step, you can now put on the optional accessories like the windscreen and the pop filter. And that's pretty much it in terms on how to set it up. You guys are now good to go to use the mic. And that is pretty much it on this short video, guys. If you guys want a much in-depth video about this microphone, make sure to let me know by leaving a comment down below. But that's all for today, guys. Peace out.